Tired of your iPhone lens never delivering pro-level shots? Is your carabiner more of a weak link than a strong tool? Your AIRTAG multi-tool is barely useful, right? That light stick, more flicker than brightness? And don't even get me started on bulky card holders or clunky knives. Stay tuned as we expose the truth about these gadgets before you waste your cash. The SANDMARC probe lens for iPhone is a revolutionary tool for mobile filmmakers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a smartphone. This 12-inch marvel transforms your iPhone into a cinematic powerhouse, offering intricate macro shots and mind-bending perspectives typically reserved for high-end cameras. Its ultra-narrow, tubular build is perfect for navigating through confined spaces like never before, capturing angles and details that are impossible to reach with traditional lenses. The adjustable focus wheel provides pinpoint control over your subject, allowing for razor-sharp visuals whether you're filming fine textures or tiny subjects. Built-in LED lighting with dual modes further enhances your shots in challenging low-light scenarios, ensuring professional-level footage in even the dimmest environments. From filming tiny mechanics to exploring the delicate beauty of nature up close, this lens brings a cinematic edge to mobile storytelling that's truly next level. For any creative, this tech innovation not only redefines what's possible with an iPhone, but opens a world of endless possibilities. Introducing the KEYUNITY KU03 Titanium EDC 6-in-1 Multi-Tool Quick-Release Carabiner, a masterstroke of precision engineering and innovation tailored for the modern adventurer and tech enthusiast alike. Crafted from aerospace-grade TC4 titanium alloy, this ultra-light, corrosion-resistant powerhouse fuses durability with elegance. It's more than just a carabiner. It's a portable toolkit that redefines convenience. From the effortless quick-release buckle to the precise screw bit driver, each tool is meticulously designed for swift and easy deployment, while the integrated pry bar and scraper offer rugged utility in any situation. The ergonomic anti-slip grooves enhance grip, ensuring reliability even in harsh conditions. Its standout feature? A luminous slot that glows subtly in low-light environments, merging style with next-level functionality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, urban explorer, or simply someone who appreciates well-designed gear, the KU3 transforms everyday carry into an art form of versatility and preparedness. Introducing the ATECH AIRTAG MULTITOOLS, the ultimate fusion of functionality and innovation that redefines everyday carry gadgets. These compact multi-tools, with their sleek and minimalist design, ingeniously integrate an AirTag holder, ensuring you never misplace your essentials while packing a punch with up to 10 versatile tools. The 10-in-1 Ultra Edition, for instance, transforms from a simple keychain or carabiner into a toolkit featuring hex wrenches, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and even a sturdy phone stand. Crafted from premium, corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel or aluminum, it's not just a gadget, it's a portable problem solver. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or a tech-savvy urbanite, the ATECH multi-tools are meticulously designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, combining practicality with cutting-edge tech in a way that feels intuitive and exciting. This is the tool you didn't know you needed, but won't want to live without. The WUBEN X3 flashlight is a cutting-edge fusion of everyday practicality and high-tech innovation, crafted for the modern adventurer or urban explorer. Its 180-degree rotating head offers unparalleled flexibility, illuminating hard-to-reach spaces with ease, while its dual LEDs, powerful 700-lumen white and discrete red for night vision, make it adaptable to diverse environments. The flashlight's magnetic base allows hands-free usage, attaching to metallic surfaces for extra convenience. What sets the WUBEN X3 apart is its wireless charging capability, a rare feature in the EDC world, coupled with a futuristic USB-C lanyard that doubles as both a charging port and carry solution. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it's resilient against dust and rain, making it your rugged, go-anywhere companion. Whether you're on a backwoods expedition or navigating a dimly lit urban alley, the WUBEN X3 is more than just a flashlight. It's a portable beacon of innovation, marrying functionality with flair. This type of review taps into the American tech reviews. EKSTER aluminum card holder wallet takes the concept of everyday carry to an entirely new level with its space-grade aluminum construction, blending cutting-edge design with advanced functionality. With RFID blocking technology integrated into its sleek, minimalist frame, this wallet offers peace of mind against digital pickpocketing in an increasingly contactless world. The patented card ejection mechanism is where true innovation shines. At the press of a button, you can effortlessly access up to 12 cards, transforming a mundane action into a seamless, futuristic experience. Slim enough to disappear into your pocket, yet durable enough to withstand the rigors of modern life, this wallet redefines what it means to be both stylish and practical, making it an essential tech accessory for the discerning minimalist. Heritage 4-piece winder with glass cover in black isn't just a watch winder. It's a masterpiece of precision and elegance designed for the true connoisseur of horology. Wrapped in smooth vegan leather, its sleek design exudes luxury, while the secure latch closure ensures your prized timepieces are safeguarded within. But it's not just about looks. The innovation runs deep. Wolf's patented lock-in dynamic cuff is a game-changer for larger, weightier watches, holding them securely without any worry of slippage. What really sets this winder apart is its cutting-edge customization. Choose between clockwise, counterclockwise, or bi-directional rotations to match the exact winding pattern of your watch. With 900 turns per day and an ultra-quiet motor, this device guarantees precision without interruption. Aesthetically stunning yet technologically advanced, the Wolf Heritage Winder transforms watch care into an art form, elevating any collection with its sophisticated functionality and future-proof design. The CHARJENPRO MAGFLOTT V1.0 magnetic stand for iPad is the epitome of premium design fused with cutting-edge functionality. Imagine effortlessly elevating your iPad experience. This stand boasts a next-level magnetic grip that feels both secure and satisfying. Crafted from industrial-grade aluminum with a sleek space-gray finish, it's a statement piece that transforms any setup into a modern workspace. Its 360-degree rotational freedom and 180-degree tilt offer infinite angles for hands-free use, whether you're sketching, video conferencing, or binge-watching your favorite shows. The soft microfiber backing adds a thoughtful touch, protecting your device while maintaining an ultra-slim profile. Not only is it practical for daily use, but it also collapses into a compact form, perfect for on-the-go professionals. It's a seamless blend of form and function that redefines what a stand can do. Future-proof, minimalist, and a must-have for every iPad power user. The DuraCoPow Solar Power Bank stands out as a rugged powerhouse built for adventure seekers and eco-conscious tech lovers alike. Boasting a whopping 20,000 mAh battery, it ensures you can keep your devices alive even on extended trips without access to traditional power sources. Equipped with dual USB ports, it effortlessly charges multiple gadgets at once, making it a perfect companion for group outings or heavy users. Its rugged design is more than just looks. The bank is water-resistant, shock-proof, and dust-proof, ensuring it can endure harsh conditions. The built-in solar panel takes it a step further by offering renewable, off-the-grid power, ideal for remote hikes or emergency situations. Adding extra utility, this power bank also includes 2 ultra-bright LED flashlights for nighttime use and an integrated compass, transforming it into a true survival tool. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or simply looking for a reliable power source on the go, the DuraCoPow Power Bank is a must-have, blending practicality with durable innovation. The ACR BIVY Stick satellite communicator redefines adventure-ready technology, merging the convenience of modern smartphones with the unmatched global coverage of the Iridium satellite network. Sleek and ultralight, This powerhouse weighs next to nothing, yet punches far above its class with rugged durability, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating that makes it impervious to dust, splashes, and even brief submersion. Its game-changing feature? Instant transformation of your smartphone into a two-way communication hub, even in the world's most isolated corners, where cell towers are a distant memory. Through its dedicated phone number and email, the BIVY stick ensures you're never disconnected, whether sharing GPS location, sending critical SOS alerts, or exchanging text messages. It's not just a gadget, it's an adventurer's lifeline, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge tech into the rugged world of exploration. Introducing the SOG Survival KARAMBIT knife, a cutting-edge blend of tactical precision and everyday practicality, engineered for those who demand reliability in their EDC arsenal. Built with a razor-sharp 2.58-inch 717 MOV stainless steel blade, this compact powerhouse is crafted to deliver both toughness and long-lasting edge retention, perfect for both survival situations and daily utility tasks. The glass-reinforced nylon handle is ergonomically sculpted, offering an uncompromising grip in both forward and reverse holds, ensuring superior control no matter the scenario. Weighing just 2.8 ounces, this lightweight tool doesn't sacrifice strength thanks to its full tang construction, making it a robust choice for serious users. The included hard nylon sheath, equipped with a 360-degree adjustable clip, enhances the knife's versatility with customizable carry options, whether mounted on a belt, backpack, or gear. From self-defense to everyday chores, the SOG Survival KARAMBIT stands as a formidable fusion of durability, agility, and precision, redefining what a modern-day survival knife can do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech gadgets and invention reviews. See you in the next one.